We're making the best tasting, rich and creamy chocolate smoothie. It's made healthy and high in protein with sweet potatoes, Greek yogurt, protein powder, almond butter, banana, and chia seeds. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you like healthier recipes of our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make this really easy smoothie, we're going to start by prepping our sweet potato. And I love using sweet potatoes because they're naturally sweet and they have tons of health benefits, and I think they go really well with a chocolate flavor. So we're going to start with a sweet potato, and then we're going to peel it, and then we're going to dice it up into some smaller pieces. Next, we need to cook the sweet potato before we can use it in our smoothie. And my favorite way to do this is to steam them. So I just take my pot and a steamer basket. I fill the pot with water just until it reaches the bottom of the basket. Then I fill it with my sweet potatoes. And then I just put on the lid, and then I'll turn up the heat to a medium-high and allow this to cook for about 15 minutes or until the sweet potatoes are fork tender. And then you'll just want to drain them in the sink and then spread the sweet potato chunks out on a cookie sheet. And then the cookie sheet goes into your freezer for just a couple hours until the sweet potatoes are frozen. And then you can transfer the sweet potatoes into a bag to store in your freezer. Now, to make the smoothie, you'll need to use a high-speed blender or a blender cup. I'm going to start by adding half a cup of almond milk, but you could use any milk that you like. And you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in my video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, but you could also use cottage cheese, which is really delicious. Next, I'll add 1/2 cup of my frozen diced sweet potatoes. And for a little extra natural sweetness, I'll add half of a banana. And then to bring in the chocolate flavor, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of some cocoa powder. And to increase the protein, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my favorite chocolate protein powder. And I'll include a link to this in the description below too. And then for just a little more sweetness and flavor, I'm going to add 1/2 tablespoon of some maple syrup. And for more flavor and some healthy fats, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of almond butter. You can also use peanut butter if you like. And then I'll add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And I like to have my smoothies nice and cold, so I'm going to add 4 ice cubes. And then I'll just screw on the lid, put it on the base, and then I'll let this blend for about a minute or until it is smooth and creamy. So now we have this rich and creamy chocolate smoothie, and it is ready to be enjoyed. That is so delicious. That has so much rich chocolatey flavor, and I would never guess that that had sweet potatoes in it. I love the healthy blend of protein, fiber, and healthy fats that will keep me satisfied and full all morning. Now, if you could use some more recipe inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. It is the best way for us to stay connected, and all you have to do is click on the link that's in the video description below. And I also want to thank you for joining me today in my kitchen, and I have included the link to this full recipe also in the video description, and that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.